Welcome to Excel Project 4B. In this assignment, we will document and display the usage of Kenai Fjord Visitor Center graphically. In the first step, I select cells A3 to D15 and insert a 3D column chart. I highlight my cells, go to Insert, Columns, a 3D chart, choose the last one. I want to move my chart to a sheet I already prepared called Monthly Visits. Hit OK. I now want to change my chart style to style 42. This one is 42. And I want to add a title. To add a title, I go to Layout, Chart Title, choose the Centered Overlay title, enter my title, hit Enter, and now I want to change the font to 24. I would also like to get rid of my legend, so I just right click and delete. I would also like to add a title for my vertical axis. Under Layout, Axis Titles, Primary Vertical Axis Title. I want the rotated title. I enter Monthly Visitors, click Enter, and I want to change the font to 14. In the next step, I would like to rotate my chart under Layout, 3D Rotation. For X, I want 30. For Y, I want 20. For Perspective, 25. And for Depth, 130. I click Close and see how my chart rotates. I would like to modify the depth axis so that the values are displayed in reverse order. I go to Axis, Depth Axis, and Show Reverse Axis and see the small values in the front and the bigger values in the back. I would like to insert a data table below the 3D chart to provide the data values to the different columns. I go to Data Table under Layout and choose the second option and see my data values below the chart. I now resize my chart for better readability. And I change the visitor centers columns, the fill color to orange. I would like to support my chart with a pie chart showing the total visits, so I go back to my worksheet Park Usage Data. I highlight B3 through D3 and B16 through D16. Go to Insert, Pie, and choose the first option and see my pie chart. You can see that I formatted my pie chart. I added a title, changed the color of the visitor center slice to orange, deleted the legend, and added labels. I would like to add data bars to the range B4 to D15. I highlight the range, I click Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, choose my data bars. I also want to change the maximum range. I go to Edit Rules, go to Maximum Number, and enter 100,000. Click OK, click a second time OK, and see how the data bars change. A feature I especially enjoyed learning during this week was how to produce and rotate 3D charts.